Trigger warning, I'm going to rub my eye, so that is going to pain you. Please look away. Factory reset. So I'm about to go back to my default settings. This is the cleanser that I'm going to be using. Can barely move my face, but the mask is dry. I'm going to be using this to scrub my lips. You know, there's always something left over inside the pack, so I like that. I feel my face is refreshed and I threw everything that I had at it. Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Castelline. If you're new and if you're not, welcome back. And especially if you're not, you know that here we are addicted to DIY. We are deep into the clutches of DIY, and today I want to attempt an at-home facial. My skin is not doing its best right now, but I don't know, I'm not really a stickler for skincare routines. I'm not a very serious skincare person. I want to try an at-home facial. I've read a few things and watched a couple of videos on YouTube, and I think it's something that I can actually do myself because, like I said, DIY is my disease. This is today's makeup. I want to take it off, so I was thinking if I'm going to take off my makeup, I should try and fix a couple of problems that I'm having right now with my skin. So I have this huge zit over here, this big pimple, and it's painful. It's under the skin, it's red, it's just painful and it hurts a lot, and I just brushed lightly makeup over it. I have my steamer over here. I want to steam my face and see if I can reduce it, or I can encourage it. I can gently encourage it to, you know, come out. So that's the plan. That's what I thought of doing for today, but it's really bugging me. Like, it's huge. So first thing I'm going to do is take off this makeup. I'm just going to be using this Johnson & Johnson micellar wipe. This is the ones for all skin types. I'm just going to use the products that I have. Is it a facial really? It's just a normal skincare routine, but it's not stuff that I do every day, or the steps that I'm going to follow is not stuff that I do every day. It's something that you could do once a week. It's been a while since I've steamed my face, and because of this pimple, I feel like it's necessary to steam my face. I know a lot of people who, especially skincare experts, don't really like seeing people using wipes to take off their makeup, because when you drag the wipe across the skin, it sort of irritates the skin. So when it comes to removing my eye makeup, I just put the wipe on my eye and give it a few minutes, and then I'm gonna rub. Trigger warning, I'm going to rub my eye, so that is going to pain you. Please look away. But this is just how I take off my makeup. See, that's how I drag it off. But the wipes is just to get rid of the bulk of the makeup, although I'm going to be doing a double cleanse. So I'm going to be doing an oil cleanse first, and then I will wash my face. So this is just to take off the makeup on the surface. It's a factory reset. So I'm about to go back to my default settings. But yeah, these wipes are really good. I'm trying not to press too hard and rub too hard on my face. That's half of my face gone. You can see how well the wipes do. So this is what I'm working with as of now. My main concern with my skin is the texture is quite rough, and then this huge visitor over here. I used to have a problem with hyperpigmentation, especially these areas around my mouth and my jaw area, because of years and years of popping pimples like a mad woman. But nowadays I try to avoid it, so this is why I really want to give this huge zit a good treatment. But I have a problem with my skin is not smooth, it's bumpy. It looks like I have rashes or something, and a few spots here and there, because every now and then I still pop pimples. And To be honest, it really doesn't bother me much. Like, I don't lose sleep. I don't lose sleep because my skin is bumpy. I know people say skincare nowadays is almost like a cult because the number of products that everybody is going to sell you to buy can be quite hectic. But I don't also excuse myself so I can be negligent. So that's why I'm trying. Now that most of the makeup is off, I'm going to go ahead and do my oil cleanse. So let's go to the bathroom. I'm going to be double cleansing, so I'll use this first and then I will use my regular face wash. This is the cleanser that I'm going to be using. I find this quite gentle on the skin. It's a foaming cleanser, so it works. I'm not very detailed on skincare products like that. Just whatever works is what I use. So going to let my face air dry while I set up the steamer because I want to open up the pores for all the products that I'm about to throw at my face. This is the steamer that I'm using to steam my face. I got this from Amazon, and then to that I added 2 drops of tea tree oil. This is tea tree oil. It's this way. I steamed my face for like 10 minutes and I look like a ripe tomato. I think that's enough. This steamer has 3 settings. So there is the off, then the medium and the high. So I was using it on high, but you can use it on medium if you feel like it's getting a bit too hot. For me, the high is okay. Like, I feel like I can handle it. But I like that feeling of steaming your face so much. For any type of skin, it's recommended to exfoliate, but especially for oily skin, it's recommended to do a chemical exfoliant rather than a manual exfoliant. I don't have any of those, so we are skipping that part of the facial. I'm just going to do a clay mask. So I'm going to use this pure clay mask from L'Oreal. I'm just going to apply it with a flat brush. The reunion for Love is Blind season 5 is out, so I'm going to watch that and see what these people have to say for themselves because this season was a mess. So this will take a while to dry, so I'm going to watch that and then I'll come back when it's dry and continue with the rest of the steps. If you have watched Love is Blind season 5, you know the mess that I'm talking about. I really want to know what explanations they have for whatever they were doing there. Can barely move my face, but the mask is dry. This is about to be messy. Because I'm waiting on you. I said I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting on you. Yeah. 7 o'clock in the morning. I have what water all over my robe, but it's fine. I'm gonna wait for my skin to dry out a little bit more. But while I wait, I'm going to go ahead and do a lip scrub. I'm going to be using this to scrub my lips. It's simple, you just scrub and then rinse. I know an important part of facials is extraction, especially when you're getting your facial done by a professional. But I can't do an extraction, first of all, because I don't know how deep this pimple is. So I don't want to like poke at it so much and then cause a bigger issue. It feels like it's quite large, but I'm not going to pop it or anything. So let me go ahead with the lip scrub. All I want you to do is get on top of me, yeah, for me, because I'm all up on you. All up on you, all up on you. My lips definitely feel softer than they were before. I usually keep my gel rollers and my gua sha stone in the freezer in a Ziploc bag so that they can remain cold. So I want to do a bit of that. I'm going to be using the Cosa X Snail Mucin Essence. So this is what I'm going to be using to gua sha my face, because it's quite slimy and easy to slide the gua sha stone on it. Next, I'm going to be using this aloe sheet mask. So this is just a soothing face mask, and I will apply this right on top of the essence. East African forehead gun. Tupatane pale nyuma ya tent. This part also needs masking. So this goes on for 15 minutes. You know there's always something left over inside the pack. So make sure you get all the juice. That is what I'm going to use for this part where the forehead has decided to shine through on my neck. My 15 minutes are up. That's that. I have these pimple patches from Cosa X. I should have put the pimple patch before I applied the essence and the sheet mask. But we are here now and that pimple is not going anywhere. So I will just put a patch on it now before I put my moisturizer. And it's quite large, so I need one of the bigger patches. That is a huge patch. I'm going to apply the remaining of my Effaclar serum. It's almost finished. This is the last bit of Effaclar serum that I have. I can't even use the pump anymore because it's completely finished. So I'll just use whatever is left. For the eye cream, I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. To be honest, I don't know the effect of eye cream, but a lot of people say that it's just better to use it as soon as possible or as young as possible, and you will see the benefits later on in life. So that's why I apply it, but most of the times I don't see what it does for my face. So just a little bit on both sides. Just gently tap in your eye cream, don't rub across your eye. This is what I use as my daily moisturizer. Snail Advanced All-in-One Cream from Cosa X. So that's what I'm going to be using. And it is slimy, guys. It is slimy. Last but not least is the Laneige Sleep Mask. So this is what is going on my lips. And I'm done. That's it. This is my at-home facial. Hopefully I will be able to see the benefits. But basically this is what I do at least once a week. But most of the days I just wash and moisturize or apply sunscreen if I'm going outside. I like that I feel my face is refreshed and I threw everything that I had at it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way until the end, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a man who will do it how you